in Java, we'll be making use of a code which will going to accept two numbers from the user. Since I'm making use of scanner, so I'm writing util, importing util, accepting two numbers and running the code like, say, in case if I'm entering a number like 56, second number like 25, the answer will be 5625. It looks quite easier. In case if we are not planning the code logically, we might do it with strings. We might just take two numbers and print them without implementing any logic. But then the concept of ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands is not being implemented. So right now, we are using a loop, executing a loop till a number b, say in my case 25, is becoming 0. So if I'm writing 25, I'll be writing something like this. My number 25, if I'll divide by 10 like this, this will become 2. If I'll divide this by 10 once again, is a number greater than 0, this will become 0. Since the loop has executed 2 times, so the digit plus plus, the value of digit will be, yes, correct, 2, so 2 digits. Now, coming to the next part of the code, using POW, so that if the value of digit is 2, this will multiply 1 with 10 two times. So first time, the 1 will become 10. Second time, this will become 100. First time, it will become 10. Second time, it will become 100. Now, if I feel like to multiply this particular number, that is the number entered by me previously in the form of a variable a, that is 56. 56 multiplied by 100. This will give me 5600. When I multiply 56 by 100, 56 was my base number. If I multiply this by 100, in that case, my number will be 100 because of these two lines. Then in this case, my number will be 5600. So now the unit like ones, tens, 100,000, coming again ones, tens, 100,000. Now if I add the original number 25 with it, means 25, the answer will be 5625, because 56 became 5600 just because of the line number 23, which is getting the first number, that is 56 multiplied by 100. Now, why I am not directly multiplying by 100? Let me run the code again. So if I am entering a number like 125 and second number like 657. So my number is 125657. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 lakhs. If you are a lazy lad and you feel like to just concatenate A and B, you might also do string temp is equal to, let me add a space, plus A plus B. And if I print temp, going to enter the first number, say 36, second number, say 258. The answer in both the cases same. The entire code of around 20 lines is been summarized in two lines, line number 27 and 28, where I am converting the number entered in a form of a string by making use of these codes and then printing it directly. But in this case, if you wish to use it as an integer, then you will be writing int x is equal to integer dot parse int, converted in the form of number, and print this number directly, which is labeled as X. Let me show you the code. Entering the first number as 36, second number as 85. So the three answers. The code answer number 1, which was very lengthy. Answer number 2 using string. Answer number 3 using integer. The difference between line number 28 and 30. 28 and 30. So if I'll do plus 5, because if I'll not add code, this will be an error. And if I'll do plus 5 here, let's see the magic. At line number 28, it will be concatenated. And at line number 30, this will be added. Means that at line number 28, my 2514 is 25145. And over here, it is coming 9. Hopefully, the logic was clear.